Welcome back to Spank Industrial Concepts page. I was able to build some stuff, get a more functional model going since last week. As you can see, this rolls around pretty smoothly. I'm going to fiddle with this more and yeah, go from there. I have a couple ideas to make it a little more rigid and better, so that's what I'm going to do. Of course, my dogs are in the background wanting to run up and down the stairs. If you like what I'm doing with these builds, or want me to do more of the commercially available Lego builds, comment, like, share, just let me know, and I will go back to them. I still have like 20 or 30 sets in my closet that I haven't built yet. I can take I might do a short or something like that of all of them, and let me know what you want me to build. I will look at building it in a future video. Okay, well, I think I got the goal of being able to run them around solved. Just going to try some different things here. Got these larger wheels the other day. Right now I'm working on stability. If I can get it so that it's stable, or more stable, and I don't have to have two cars, then that will be the ideal outcome, because then I can control the cars separately if I desire, or something. A little closer, even though only one tire is binding or lining up. I could just do shims, I guess. Maybe I can offset them. I don't know yet. Definitely seems to work. Maybe if I push this up just a hair, it'll keep it flat. If there's a way I can get these a little closer together. Ooh, that might do it. So, if I did something like that, ooh, I think I might have something here. Let's find out. So if I put this through there, let's do two. I'll do another. Take this wheel off for now. Do another one. See if I can get two sets in here. I don't think I'll be able to. Maybe if I use a different wheel. Okay, I might have something here. Instead of using this tire, I might use a different tire. Because I have a whole bunch of these tires with the wrong wheel, but the tires themselves fit these other wheels. Holding off on doing some bigger builds right now because I'm recovering from wrist surgery, as you can see with the stitches. I'm limited to what I can, how long I can build before my wrist acts up. Okay, let's see if that does it. If these are small enough. They're slightly smaller radii of wheel. I think I forgot his name. The Japanese gentleman I referenced in the last video who did the monorails might use similar tires to these on his builds. So pretty skatey. That may work. I may not even need side wheels because it almost feels better without any rolling resistance. Now I just have to figure out how to power it, which pretty stable. Let's see. Width is almost perfect. So if I did, let's see, if I took something like, yeah, I think I did that. Took something like this, but let me see if I have something a little better because I don't really need that much height. Did something like that, and then mounted an axle through it. Yeah, I don't know if the axle's going to be long enough. Well, we'll find out. Put that there. And then, let's see. Did that. Put a stopper on this so it doesn't slide off. I think that might do it. Get rid of some of the stuff that's front. Probably still do some wheels on the inside to help smooth it up a little bit, or even drop this down. Let's see. I did. Let me get a few more of these tires. I was at my closest Lego store up in Portland. It's not Lego. And I saw these wheels and tires. I thought the axle would be perfect for standard axle, but it's more of that smaller axle. So I have probably 1,000 of these tires and wheel combos that can't use for my intended purpose. which was to do kind of a tank tread mechanism with them. I guess I could use some of them for other things, but I think these will potentially fulfill my need. Okay, so if I got a couple of these, stuck one there, I need another one. Go. Now I have a pivot point. Oh yeah. I think that is pretty smooth. I just need to see if I can motorize it and go from there. I might need to do something about the front because it's rubbing. Let me see. Try something. That there, put that there. And since these are not exactly required, we can go there. To move, put those there. Grab this other one. That there, that there, that there. Put this other one here. Then we'll put this kind of there. Put a stopper on it. Probably have to do something more concrete, but let me see if I can cinch this up a little bit and make it so that it rolls. Let's see. I think it's close. So close. So if I pull this off, pull that out, let that out, move this one up. There, just lock those two on. Put this back here. I almost want to put a wheel up here, like that. Let's see, can I do that? Need it like that. So something like that would work. Wonder if that would be too much out in the front. Get a couple pieces together and lock this piece in the way I want it. The way I want it, so what I'll do is I'll stick one of these through, and that will work there, and shove that in. Come on. There. I'll run this through here. Alignment. Come on, there we go. There we go. Now I can put there's some mechanisms where I can go like this. Slide that through there. Come on, go in the hole. Rolling it'd be better. Oop. Lock that on there. Remember that because it wants to come off. Okay. Well, that won't work. It's too tight. We need a different part. For now, one of these will work just fine for now. That'll work perfect. I just need to reproduce that on the other side, and yeah, let's see if that works. So, what pieces do I need? I need one of these, roughly. One of these. Color, but it'll work. Once I figure out all the mechanics, I can worry about making it look pretty. Okay, so there we go. Now we have two sets of wheels on the top, two on the bottom. It's locked in. I think I'm going to get a longer axle for this. Let's see. Will it be long enough? I think that will be. And it has a locks tab on the back, so I don't have to worry about locking this piece on. We'll grab these. They should work. Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe not those. this here, that will hook that on there. Stick this through this way. We'll take this tire, stick it in here, so we'll stick that through. And we'll stick this on here. I'll worry about motorizing this later, but I think secure this on a little better, but I think it will work. I think that will do. So if I get rid of these spacers, axle. Yep. Yeah, that should work. Okay, stick this on. Stick it through here. Huh? There? Yeah, there. This stopper off. There we go. Stick this through here, that through there. There we go. Stick that through. Yeah, I think that'll work. That'll work great. Okay, now we can take that, stick that through here. Okay, stick that through there. Stick this into that hole. That through there. Okay, stick this stopper on there. That will prevent that from coming off. And for the heck of it, we'll put another stopper on. Might have to loosen this just a hair so those freely spin, but there we go. There's that freely spinning. We'll move that over there. Move those out a little bit. There we go. There we go. I think, yeah, that works. Grips it nice and secure. I can use that. Nice and secure. Really stable. I mean, even if it's not that stable, it's pretty stable. Gripping it on multiple sides. I guess next is to try and motorize this thing, which I think if I take, yeah, I'm getting into the motorization part. So if I take that, a couple other parts. Take that. That, stick those on there for now. That'll give me some build-up there. Yeah, that gives me some build-up there, so I can start mounting a motor assembly or something on it. There's that. also be able to tighten this thing up a little bit. 4. Okay, I need a gear mechanism or something. Let's see. Put this on there. I think I'd have to put a... Could I power that? And for now I'll do direct drive with a motor. Gear assembly. So let's get the gears out. I think that will work. I'm going to grab a motor, battery pack, medium motor, yeah, that will work. So slap a couple. Here, there. We'll just grab a couple pins now. Stick them in here and here. And we'll see if we can just lap this bad boy on here, like so. It doesn't interfere with the motor. Sweet. Now, I'm going to mount that on there. What can I do to do that? Let's see. Can I go? Nope, can't go that way, but I can do this. Put a couple of these in. This with these. Okay, see if I can stick that on there. Okay, now I need a gear. Will this gear work? I don't need a shaft that long. My dogs, they don't like the mailman. Not quite. I think I need to gears right there. Okay, and then we need another gear It's not catching quite. But if I put this there, they won't catch there either. So I think I need to take that off. Pull that off. If I move it forward just a tiny bit. Let's take this out and we'll put these in. Put this back in, like so. And we'll put the motor over here. Okay, there we go. Now the motor's there. What am I hitting? I'm hitting that retention piece. Okay, so a slightly longer drive shaft. Or a different stopper on that side. We'll see. So that goes there. No. If I don't have this piece, what happens? Those two wheels fell out, and I lose stability. But if I stick it over here, stick this on. Actually, let's stick it back here. Stick that stopper on. Okay, so it's not as smooth, but okay, that's slightly better. Now, if I use that, take that completely out, and I put in a longer axle. Do. Put longer axle there, stopper there. Put another stopper. No, I want a gear there, so let's see what gear would work. Would that gear work? Just almost. It's almost right. It's not quite, but almost there. So if I scoot that over, there. Can we do that? No. So I need to go here for that. So I need an idler pulley. Okay. Let's see. These. turn that.
Yes. Now, we need that to turn this. So if we take that out and put that there, change the gearing a little bit, but now if we have something that can go between them, there, that would work. Take that off. Okay. Need a few of these. Will it couple together? No, it won't. That's too big. We'll take that off. We need direct drive. There we go. To heck with gearing and idler pulleys and all that. I'm just going to put a chain drive on it. Completely forgot I had these. A few more links. I have to get myself some more chain links. But if I can get this to work, it's not that big of a deal. A few sources. Let's put this bad boy on there and see if it works. Let's change how that sits on there. That's oddly satisfying. Of course, it's going the wrong direction. Let's see if it goes the right direction. do something. Just stick these through there and there. Oh, that's part of the issue. That part slid out. That was locking everything together, but that's not that big of a deal. Okay, I need... That will do. No, that won't do. I need... Yeah, that will do for that. So that locks those two together. Now, what if I... Oh, I'll just do this. This will add enough stability to it. Here. It gives me stability, but I'll definitely need to put some shims in here between these wheels. Go here, we'll shove a couple of these in. These shouldn't interfere and they should free spin, I'm thinking. Yeah, those will free spin there. There we go. That's width of that. Pull that off just for the time being so that we can fit all this together. Okay, there's that. Put that on. Put two of these on. Oh, more than two. Forgot about that. Okay, put that on. We'll put this back on. We'll put that on like so. We'll click that together. Pull that together. Pull that together. I was wondering if those need to be a little further out. Okay, now we got the wheel that could free spin. Got that, which free spins mostly. Okay, now let's just. Oop, those are too high now. Rotate them down. Rotate these down like so. Okay. Now we stick this back on here, like so. And we take this, we stick it around here. stick this above it so it has center mass. And we'll stick this on there like so. Reverse direction. Ooh. That gives me an even crazier idea. Oh, I could totally do that. Instead of having them speeder bikes roll, I could have the whole... Oh, launch some parts off. Didn't like that. Instead of having the speeder bike... Oh. Put that back on the gear. Race on the track, making the track, so the speeder bikes moving on a track, make the track move and have the speeder bikes attached to the track. I could do that with bearings, build some orbital bearings and stuff like that, and then I could just make the track do whatever I wanted as long as it was in a semicircular pattern or something. I could totally do that. Well, on that bombshell, like, subscribe, share. If you like this and you want me to do more mocks, I have no problem doing that. I'm going to look into this a little bit more and maybe post a video where I completely redo this whole design based off of the track moving instead of the speeder bikes. That'll be interesting. It'll be easier to build as far as battery changing or power supply goes. Well, like I said, like, subscribe, share. Thank you.